Before we proceed to the main topic of this video, let's have a short recall on adding and subtracting fractions. Let's have the first example, 4/5 plus 3 over 10. In this case, there are two addends. Then, you can do the cross multiplication. That is 4/5 plus 3 over 10. So, that one, 4 times 10. Then plus 5 times 3. Then all over, get the product of the denominators also. So 5 times 10. Okay, and then simplify. So 4 times 10 is 40, plus 5 times 3 is 15. Then all over, 5 times 10 is 50. And then add the numerator. So 40 plus 15 is 55 over 50. And then reduce the fraction into lowest term. So the numerator and the denominator are divisible by 5. So 55 divided by 55 divided by 5 is 11. 50 divided by 5 is 10. So that one is 11 over 10. Or you can also use this method. 4/5 plus 3 over 10. So get the least common denominator of the denominators. So the LCD of 5 and 10 is 10. Then divide the LCD by the denominator times the numerator. So that one, 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 times 4 equals 8. Then plus 10 divided by 10 is 1 times 3 equals 3. And then simplify. 8 plus 3 is 11 over 10. Okay, let's have another example. Okay, subtract. Again, in this case, we have the, what do you call this? Minuend and subtrahend. So, we can also use cross multiplication. So that is 7 over 10 minus 5 over 7. So we have 7 times 7 is 49. And then minus 10 times 5 is 50 over 10 times 7 is 70. And then subtract 49 and 50. So that one is negative 1 over 70. Okay, now let's do the other method. So 7 over 10 minus 5 over 7. Get the LCD, which is 70. So 70 divided by 10 is 7. Times 7 is 49. Minus 70 divided by 7 equals 10. Times 5 is 50. Then simplify. 49 minus 50 is negative 1 over 70. Okay. Let's have the last one. Okay, we have here 2/5 minus 1/4 plus 3 over 10. In this case, you can use the cross multiplication, but 2. So take the difference of this, then after that add it to 3/10. Or using the other method, get the LCD. So 2 over 5 minus 1/4 plus 3 over 10. So the LCD is 20. Okay. Again, 20 divided by 5 is 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. Minus 20 divided by 4 is 5 times 1 equals 5. Plus 20 divided by 10 equals 2 times 3 equals 6. and then simplify. So add 8 and 6, which is equal to 14, minus 5, so equals 9 over 20. Okay. Now, let's go to our main topic, which is the addition and subtraction of rational algebraic expressions. Now, the rules in adding and subtracting fractions are similar in adding and subtracting rational algebraic expressions. Recall that only similar fractions can be added or subtracted. So when we say similar fractions, fractions with the same denominators. Now, let's apply the process that I discussed earlier. Let's have the first one. So we have here 1 over m minus 2 minus 1 over m plus 4 plus m squared, m minus 2 all over m squared plus 2m minus 8. So first, since the denominators are dissimilars, so find the LCD. So m minus 2, m plus 4 are prime expressions. So standby lang sila. And then, this one is factorable. So what are the factors of m squared plus 2m minus 8? So numerical coefficient of m squared is 1. So that is 1, 1. And then factors of negative 8 are 4 and 2. Then this one is negative. Then let's check. So 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. So 4 minus 2 equals 2. So therefore, factors nito are m plus 4 times m minus 2. So now, what is the LCD? So the LCD now is, we have here m minus 2, m minus 2. So that one, since it's common, so first and third, so that one will be taken as 1. So that one is m minus 2. And also m plus 4, so will be taken as 1. So that is m plus 4. So therefore, the LCD is the quantity of m minus 2 times the quantity of m plus 4. Now, apply yung process na discussed earlier. Okay? So, recall, yan. So, the LCD, m minus 2 times m plus 4. So, recall natin yung process. LCD divided by the denominator times the numerator. Okay? So, let's do this. LCD divided by m minus 2 equals m plus 4 times the numerator, which is 1, minus LCD divided by m plus 4. So, m plus 4 magka-cancel. So, matitira is m minus 2 multiplied by 1. Okay? Then plus LCD divided by the denominator. So, cancel m plus 4, cancel m minus 2. That one equals 1. Then, times m minus 2 equals m minus 2. Then, after that, simplify. So, 1 times m is m. 1 times 4 is 4. Negative 1 times m is negative m. Negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 2. Then, plus m minus 2. Then, all over the quantity of m minus 2 times the quantity of m plus 4. And then, simplify. So, combine like terms. So, m minus m is 0 plus m equals m. Next, 2 minus 2 is 0 plus 4 equals 4. Okay? Then all over the quantity of m minus 2 times the quantity of m plus 4. Now, in here, m plus 4 is common for both numerator and denominator. So we can cancel m plus 4. That one becomes 1. That one becomes 1. So we have 1 over m minus 2 times 1, which is equal to m minus 2. But what are the restricted values for m? Or what is the domain here? The domain is the set of all real numbers except positive 2 and negative 4. So therefore, in here, that m must not be equal to 2 or negative 4. Okay, let's have another example. Okay, let's have the second example. So we have here 2x over x squared minus 2xy minus 3y squared minus y over 3x squared plus 4xy plus y squared plus 2x minus y all over 3x squared minus 8xy minus 3y squared. So since they are dissimilar, so find the LCD. So get the factors of each denominator. So what are the factors of x squared minus 2xy minus 3y squared? So that one is a trinomial, so using the trial and error. So factors of the numerical coefficient of x squared, which is 1. So the factors are 1 and 1. Then factors of negative 3. So 3, 1, so negative. Then 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. And then add, which is equal to negative 2, which is equal to the middle term. So the factors are x minus 3y times x plus y. Next, factors of 3x squared plus 4xy plus y squared. So factors of 3 are 3 and 1. Factors of 1 are 1 and 1. So then cross multiply. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. And then get the sum, which is 4, which is again equal to the middle term. So the factors are 3x plus y and times x plus y. Okay. Now, the last denominator. So, factors of 3 are 3 and 1. Factors of negative 3. So, 3, negative, this is negative and this must be positive 1. So, let's check. So, 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. 1 times 1 is 1. And then get the sum, which is equal to negative 8, which is equal to that. So, the factors are 3x plus y times the quantity of x minus 3y. Now, what is the LCD? Okay, so the least common denominator. Okay, let's check. So x minus y. So there are 2x minus y will be taken as 1. So x minus 3y. And then x plus y, 1, 2. So x plus y appears twice. So will be taken as 1. So x plus y. And then we have 3x plus y. 3x plus y. Okay, will be taken as 1 also. So 3x plus y. So therefore, the LCD is the quantity of x minus 3y times the quantity of x plus y times the quantity of 3x plus y. And then apply the same process. So the LCD is x minus 3y times x plus y times the quantity of 3x plus y. Okay, recall LCD divided by the denominator and then the quotient will be multiplied by the numerator. Okay, let's do this. So LCD divided by the denominator. So these are the factors. So cancel x minus 3y and x plus y. So the quotient is 3x plus y. Multiply to 2x. So that is 2x times 3x plus y. Then minus LCD divided by the denominator. So these are the factors. So cancel 3x plus y and x plus y. So the quotient is x minus 3y multiplied by y. So that one is y times x minus 3y. And then plus LCD divided by the denominator. So these are the factors. Cancel 3x plus y and x minus 3y. And the quotient is x plus y multiplied by 2x minus y. So that is 2x minus y times x plus y. And then simplify the numerator. Okay, so by using the distributive property, so distribute to 2x to 3x plus y. And that is 2x times 3x is equal to 3x squared. Then 2x times y equals 2xy. Next, negative y times x is equal to negative xy. And then negative y times negative 3y is equal to positive 3y squared. Next, so in here, binomial to binomial, use the FOIL method. Okay, so 2x times x is equal to 2x squared. 2x times y is equal to 2xy. Negative y times x is equal to negative xy. Negative y times positive y equals y squared. Then all over the quantity of x minus 3y times the quantity of x plus y times the quantity of 3x plus y. And then combine like terms. So we have here 3x squared. So let's add 3x squared. And then positive 2x squared. So that one, so we have 5x squared. Okay, next. So we have 2xy minus xy plus 2xy minus xy. Okay, so here negative xy plus negative xy is equal to negative 2xy. Add it to 2xy, that one becomes 0. So we have only positive 2xy, so plus 2xy. Then next, we have here 3y squared plus y squared. So that one equals 4y squared. So plus 4y squared. Then all over the quantity of x minus 3y times the quantity of x plus y times the quantity of 3x plus y. And then check if the numerator is factorable. Now, in this case, this one is already prime. It's because the middle term is 2. The first and the last terms are 5 and 4. So, it's impossible to factor the numerator. So, therefore, it's 5x squared plus 2xy plus 4y squared all over x minus 3y times x plus y times 3x plus y. But what are the restricted values for x and y? That x must not be equal to 0 and y must not also be equal to 0. Okay, that's it.